Look at that! Oh, that's probably like the best looking slime we've made, you guys.
See? Look.
Whoa!
See?
You want to try it?
Yeah.
I bet you do.
We're making candy slime! We're gonna need powdered sugar
Powdered sugar.
and starburst.
And starburst! Oh my gosh, okay. Let's see. Whoa! Okay, guys. Oh my goodness.
Give me those strawberries. Give me those strawberries.
So first they're going to separate the ones that they want.
I want strawberry.
Leo wants strawberry
The strawberries I want cherry.
and Stefan wants cherry. Okay.
We're going to strawberries. Oh, the strawberries.
Strawberries! Stefan, what flavor do you have?
Cherry.
Cherry!
These are yummy. Yes, they are.
Okay, so this next part, you definitely want to get an adult. We're going to be taking the starbursts and we're going to be putting them into a pot of boiling water. And I have a bowl in there already. And now we wait. I got some tongs because I need something to hold it because it's so hot. But as you can see, they're starting to melt nice. You gotta make sure that they're fully melted. As you can see in this one, it is definitely starting to get like that slimy feel to it. It's got that already feel to it. Okay, now, because now we have our starburst melted.
Yeah.
Okay,
We're
gonna-
add powdered sugar and then dump.
yeah, we're gonna dump some of the powdered sugar onto their mats. There you go.
And then dump.
Okay, so now we're gonna dump the starburst.
Starburst on it. Oh,
Okay, yeah. If it's hot, get an adult to help you.
Wait. Can I see? Love his name. And get all that in there.
Get all of that in there, eh? Do you need? Don't touch it yet, 'cause it's gonna be hot.
Please.
Okay.
I put in the powder. Now what?
Now you have
Now what?
candy slime. How does it feel?
Hot. Hot.
Keep massaging it in. Keep massaging it in, just like you would normal slime, right?
I make a taco out of candy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mom,
Yeah.
can I take a bite now?
You want to try it?
Yeah.
I bet you do. What's it like?
I'll get dough.
Like a dough?
It's not sticky.
It's not sticky. That's good.
It's not hot.
It's not hot?
No, it's not hot.
Good.
I went this.
Oh, look at it! It's actually really, and it doesn't stick. Does it stick to your hand?
Well, it might stick to nothing.
Let's see.
Oh, now it's getting sticky.
Is it? Okay, you gotta keep massaging it then.
Oh.
But hold on. What is happening over here? Look at this. This is awesome.
Mommy wants to eat it.
Oh my gosh. You guys, we make this to play with it. Is yours ready? Like, look at Stefan's. Look at that. Oh, that's probably like the best looking slime we've made, you guys.
See? Look.
Whoa. What do you think?
I like it.
Okay. So, are we gonna do it? The moment of truth? The taste test?
Yes. Not yet.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah. It's lame.
Whoa!
Mine is it just doesn't want to break. I
It
like
doesn't
this
wanna-
one because you can sticks to you, so you can actually make a hand on you and just.
Oh, it's so much fun! Yeah. Ooh. Look at Leo.
Look at this.
Whoa! Look guys are so funny. A lollipop.
What? Lollipop.
Oh, it does look like a heart. Aww.
Like a
Starburst slime. You may not have much left at the end.
Because you never know who's not eating Masha. This guy.
Good job, you guys. Well, there you go. Really simple, you guys.
2 ingredients.
2 ingredients and fun, right?
Thanks for watching.
Have a great day, you guys. Thanks for watching. And remember, every day is a great day to have fun. So get out there
And eat your fries.
and eat your slime.